Children, in this module, we are going to study the term consumer organizations. Consumer organizations play an important role in educating the consumers about their rights and providing protection to them. The important functions of consumer organizations are educating the general public about the consumer rights, then publishing periodicals, then carrying out the testing or comparative testing of the consumer products, then encouraging consumers to strongly protect and take action against the exploitative and unfair practices, then providing legal assistance to consumers by way of providing aid, legal advices, etc., then filing complaints in appropriate consumer courts, and last one, taking an initiative in filing cases in consumer courts. Now we are going to analyze one case study. Aman, a degree holder in entrepreneurship, came to know about Pipeline Tree Village located in Rajasthan, where in 2006 an initiative was started in which 111 trees are planted every time a girl child is born. To keep termites away from the tree, the villagers have planted 2.5 million aloe vera plants around the trees. This has turned the village into an oasis as the planting of trees led to higher water levels. Aman decided to visit the village to start a business unit for the processing and marketing of aloe vera into juices, gels, and other products. However, on visiting the village, the Aman found that the villagers were suffering exploitation at the hands of local merchants who were engaged in exploitative trade practices like hoarding and black marketing of food products, also selling unsafe adulterated products to the villagers. After looking at their plight instead of a business organization, he decided to set up an organization for the protection and promotion of the consumer interest of the villagers. The question is that state the important functions that the organization established by Aman will be performing. Can you say what are the important functions that the organization established by Aman? The answer is that the important functions of NGOs or consumer organizations are: first one, educating the villagers or general public about the consumer rights by organizing training programs, seminars, and workshops. Then secondly, publishing periodicals and other publications to impart the knowledge about the consumer problems, reliefs available, and other matters of interest. Then third function, carrying out comparative testing of consumer products in accredited laboratories to test the relative qualities of competing brands and publishing the test results for the benefit of the consumers. Another important function is that encouraging consumers to strongly protest and take an action against exploitative and unfair trade practices of the sellers. Then another function is providing legal assistance to consumers by way of providing aid, legal advice, and in seeking legal remedy. And the last function is that filing complaints in consumer courts on behalf of the consumer. These are the important functions of consumer organizations and non-government organizations.